What's the meaning of cultured? Cultured. Cultured.
Cultured. Cultured. The term cultured typically refers to a person who is knowledgeable and educated in various areas, such as literature, art, music, and history. Such individuals are often well-traveled and have been exposed to various cultures, allowing them to appreciate diversity and engage in meaningful conversations with people from different backgrounds. Cultured people are often associated with good etiquette, refined taste, and the ability to appreciate the finer things in life. They possess a sense of sophistication that is highly regarded in certain social circles.